हेलो एवरीवन। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब लोग खुश हैं, दिलशाद हैं, आबाद हैं। एवरीवन इज डूइंग वेल एंड everyone is able to understand his or her requirements in life and enjoying his life or her life in terms of what he or she aspires for and works hard for it, and at the same time enjoys the way he or she does. Now today, let us talk about some basics of marketing. What exactly marketing is? क्या है ये marketing? Is marketing only sales or is it something else? Right? We look at what is marketing, we look at basic concepts related to marketing. Now, what exactly marketing is? Marketing, as the experts say, is all about creating value, communicating value, and delivering value. To whom? To the customers or consumers. Right? Or not? Marketing is not just make and sell, it's sense and respond. Marketing in previous times used to be more of make and sell from the seller's point of view. Whereas today, especially since 1950s, marketing is all about sense and respond. Identify what the customer needs, what the customer wants, and accordingly try and deliver that to the customer better than the competition. That is what marketing is all about. So, in short, marketing is all about creating value, delivering value, and communicating value better than the competition. Correct? Now, when we talk about marketing, we have to understand that there are needs, there are wants. A marketer cannot simply produce things and sell it off just because he has certain products with him or her and he wants to the customers to purchase those. Why would the customer be interested in purchasing your product? The marketer must give enough reasons for purchase. And that is where it comes to identify the needs and wants. What are needs and what are wants? हमारी ज़रूरतें क्या हैं और हमारी मांगे क्या हैं? ज़रूरतें और मांगे क्या ये दोनों एक ही हैं या अलग अलग हैं? एंड डिजायर हमारी इच्छाएं क्या हैं, आरजुएं क्या हैं? We know that desire does not constitute demand in marketing. Why? Because desire may not have the purchasing power to back it. मुझे जेम्स बॉन्ड वाली गाड़ी पसंद हो सकती है ना? पर मैं सोच सकता हूँ कि काश मेरे पास ये गाड़ी हो, मैं भी एक BMW जो जेम्स बॉन्ड चलाते हैं वैसे BMW के शोरूम से मैं भी निकालूं और I enjoy the thrill of it driving the BMW. James Bond, I'll be right back. पर क्या मैं ऐसा कर सकता हूँ? No, because I don't have the purchasing power to pay for it. So marketing takes into consideration only those wants specifically which have the ability, which the consumer has the ability to pay for it. So needs मतलब जो हमारी ज़रूरतें हैं, बुनियादी ज़रूरतें, basic requirements, be it food, be it shelter, be it emotional, even the higher level needs like the emotional needs, need for affiliation, need for education, need for approval, then need for power, need for achievement, ये हाई लेवल नीड्स हैं. लोअर लेवल नीड्स के अंदर हमारी शेल्टर नीड्स आती हैं, हमारी फूड एंड क्लोथिंग नीड्स आती हैं. मार्केटर्स नेवर क्रिएट नीड्स, दे सिंपली पुश वांट्स. ये बात याद रखने की जरूरत है. मार्केटर्स कभी भी वांट्स को पुश करते हैं, वो नीड्स को क्रिएट नहीं करते. नीड्स तो पहले से प्री एग्जिस्टिंग हैं. हमारी शारीरिक और मानसिक इच्छाएं पहले से ही हैं और उन इच्छाओं को हम जरूरतों का नाम दे रहे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि उन जरूरतों के बिना हमारी जिंदगी नहीं चलती. रिक्वायरमेंट्स आर दोज विच आर इसेंशियल फॉर अ लाइफ टू सस्टेन. हम सिर्फ जीने के लिए नहीं, अच्छे से जीने के लिए आए हैं. So there is a difference between living and happily living. So for happily living, there are certain needs and certain wants. So needs are pre-existing, whereas wants are the specification of needs. कैसे? मुझे भूख लग रही है, तो मैं रोटी भी खा सकता हूँ, चावल भी खा सकता हूँ, राइट? कुछ और खाना भी खा सकता हूँ. इफ आई गो टू एनी रेस्टोरेंट, देयर इज अ मेन्यू, राइट? हीरा स्वीट्स चले जाएं, हल्दीराम चले जाएं, और भी अच्छे अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं. आपको जो भी खाना चाहिए आप खाइए. आप जो भी खाना लास्ट में चुनते हैं, आप छोले भटूरे खाते हैं या डोसा खाते हैं या आप पिज्जा लेते हैं, राइट? या आप मोमोज खाते हैं, दोज आर ऑल specific alternatives to satisfy your hunger need. तो आपकी हंगर नीड को पूरा करने के लिए ये सारे ऑल्टरनेटिव्स हैं, विकल्प हैं बाजार में उपलब्ध. whichever alternative you go for depends on you, right? So wants are the specification of needs. मुझे पानी पीना है, मैं मिनरल वाटर लूं या सादा पानी पीऊं या ठंडा पानी पीऊं या शरबत पीऊं, ये मेरे ऊपर. all these are forms of what? wants only. तो यहाँ पर एक चीज और ध्यान रखने की बात है, नीड्स और वांट्स के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है वो ये कि मार्केटर्स को एक मार्केटिंग मायोपिया हो जाता है. जैसे मायोपिया हम कहते हैं ना कि नजर अच्छी नहीं है, ठीक से हमें दिखाई नहीं दे रहा, जो दिख रहा है वो सच नहीं होता. मार्केटिंग मायोपिया. द मार्केटर्स डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड द रियल नीड behind the product. They are so obsessed or with the kind of product that they're offering to the consumer, they at times ignore what the consumer actually wants. And that is what marketing myopia is. तो जो भी हम नीड और वांट आइडेंटिफाई करें, उसको उसमें हमें ये ध्यान में रखना है कि मार्केटिंग मायोपिया नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर ऐसा हो गया तो हम जो ऑफर कर रहे हैं हमारा सारा ध्यान उसी पर रहेगा, पर उससे उस कंज्यूमर की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो रही है नहीं, दैट विल नॉट बी देयर, राइट? मेरे पास अगर स्मार्टफोन है और स्मार्टफोन में 200 GB रैम है, बढ़िया साउंड क्वालिटी है, वीडियो क्वालिटी है, राइट? पर उसमें ऐसा भी फीचर लगा हुआ है कि मैं फिल्म रिकॉर्ड कर सकूं. आई कैन शूट अ फिल्म ऑफ सिनेमैटिक क्वालिटी. However, if I'm a normal consumer and I don't have that requirement of shooting for films through my mobile, even if it's a short film, 12 minutes and 13 minutes or 10 minutes or 5 minutes, then that feature is not required for me, because that feature should turn into benefit. If that feature is not giving me benefit because I do not need it, then what is the need for it? Isn't it? So the products should be not be obsessed with what they're offering. The marketers should not be obsessed with what they're offering. They should be focusing on the benefits and the experiences of the consumers while availing those benefits. Correct? इसको ध्यान में रखते हुए हम बात करते हैं वैल्यू और सेटिस्फैक्शन की. जैसे कि हमने मार्केटिंग की डेफिनेशन में पढ़ा, मार्केटिंग इज ऑल अबाउट क्रिएटिंग वैल्यू, communicating value, and delivering superior value to your customers. I said superior value. Value क्या है? Customer value. Value is all about benefits divided by cost. Benefits plus the quality of those benefits in the numerator divided by the price or the cost to pay for it. This is the ratio which is there in every consumer's mind. मैं अगर एक ग्राहक हूं, एक उपभोक्ता हूं, तो मेरे दिमाग में भी ये चल रहा है. The marketers want to influence that, right? The marketers want to influence that. Why? Because they feel that if they can influence this, then the consumer will accept the marketer's offer. If I can give a better value in terms of a better ratio of benefits plus quality of those benefits divided by the price to pay for it, the consumer will come to me more often than not rather than going to my competition. What is quality? Quality is the performance ability of any product. Any product, be it a toothpaste or a shaving cream or a sunglass or a shirt or a trouser or a laptop or a mobile or a remote of an air conditioner or a television, they all have certain specific ability to perform, and that is what determines quality. Quality is something wherein a price can also be an indicator of quality if there is no other attribute to determine what quality is. So, quality, what is the benefit offered, and what is the quality of those benefits as matched with the benchmark. If I'm going for a laptop, I know I have to have a superior processing ability because I'm a creative man. For example, if I'm a creative man, I like to shoot videos and I like to post them on YouTube or Instagram. I do want them to be of certain quality, and for that to happen, my camera, the resolution provided should be good enough. The screen size, the quality of that screen should adhere to certain benchmarks. So if the screen size, the quality of the screen resolution, the camera in terms of HD, there are certain benchmarks of HD quality. Is it adhering to which quality, which benchmark? So quality is measured in terms of its ability to perform vis-a-vis the set benchmarks. If I'm listening to certain music in HD quality, is it really giving me HD quality? So that is what quality is. The ability of any product to perform as per the set benchmarks. So benefits plus quality divided by the price for it. That is value. And the marketers need to create value, communicate value, and deliver value superior than the competition. And when they are able to do that, then comes the concept of satisfaction. What is satisfaction? संतुष्टि. पहले दुकानों में लिखा रहता था, दुकान मेरा मंदिर, ग्राहक मेरा देवता, और उसकी संतुष्टि ही मेरा प्रसाद. What is santushti? What is satisfaction? Satisfaction. If the product performs to my expectations, I'm satisfied. If the product performs above my expectations, I'm delighted. If the product performs below my expectations, I'm dissatisfied. So there should be a match between the expectations of the consumer and the performance of the product. So satisfaction can be defined as the perceived performance of the product by the consumer, right? The perceived performance of the product by the consumer as per his or her expectations is satisfaction. Clear? Now, satisfaction, the marketers are now moving towards delight. केवल संतुष्ट करने से ही पर्याप्त नहीं है. We have to delight the consumer. उसको खुश करना है. केवल संतुष्ट करने से बात नहीं बनेगी. If you have to create a loyal consumer, you have to delight. Delight कैसे करेंगे? Delight तभी करेंगे जब हम augmented product level और पोटेंशियल प्रोडक्ट लेवल पर काम करेंगे, जो कि प्रोडक्ट के लेवल्स होते हैं, जैसे कि जेनेरिक प्रोडक्ट, फिर बेसिक प्रोडक्ट, सॉरी कोर बेनिफिट, फिर जेनेरिक प्रोडक्ट या बेसिक प्रोडक्ट, फिर एक्सपेक्टेड प्रोडक्ट, फिर ऑगमेंटेड प्रोडक्ट और फाइनली पोटेंशियल प्रोडक्ट. तो हमें ऑगमेंटेड या प्रोडक्ट पोटेंशियल प्रोडक्ट लेवल पे काम करना होगा, जहां पर हम कंज्यूमर की एक्सपेक्टेशन से आगे चले जाएं. अगर हम कंज्यूमर की एक्सपेक्टेशन से आगे चले जा सकते हैं, उसे ऐसी सुविधाएं दे सकते हैं उसके स्मार्टफोन में, उसके लैपटॉप में, उसके फर्नीचर में, वो बेनिफिट्स दे सकते हैं जो उसने नहीं सोचा होगा, जो उसने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया होगा. क्या हम ऐसा कर सकते हैं? अगर हम ऐसा कर सकते हैं तो हम उसे सिर्फ संतुष्ट ही नहीं, we can delight the consumer. There are so many products and services and across the spectrum, various brands, अब कोई भी ब्रांड ले लीजिए, which are trying to do it over and over again. Products में innovation क्यों हो रहा है? इसीलिए हो रहा है. Introducing more features and those features which are benefit centric. If I am able to shoot high definition 1080 in standing mode or in sitting mode with my rear camera, can I do that with my front camera? If I cannot do that with my front camera, I may not be happy. Can I shoot 4K only with my rear camera? Yes. But if I can do it with my rear camera also, I am delighted. right? So I have not expected this as a consumer because these days the smartphones that I see, the rear camera has the ability to shoot in 4K mode, but the front camera, which is for the selfie mode or the consumer photograph or the video facing the consumer itself, they have the full HD capability, but not 4K. Now, if any smartphone offers me that, then will I be delighted? Yes. Will I be satisfied? Yes. But will I be delighted? Yes, definitely, because I had not expected that. इन दैट प्राइस रेंज, उसी प्राइस रेंज में अगर मुझे रियर कैमरे के अलावा फ्रंट कैमरा भी 4K मोड में शूट करने की सुविधा देता है, आई एम हैप्पी, आई एम मोर देन हैप्पी. सो द आइडिया इज टू डिलाइट द कंज्यूमर्स, राइट? तो जब हम प्रोडक्ट्स की बात करते हैं, हम बात कर रहे हैं मार्केटिंग की सेंस एंड रिस्पॉन्ड फिलॉसफी. पहले क्या था? प्रोडक्शन कॉन्सेप्ट. प्रोडक्शन कॉन्सेप्ट क्या था? द marketers should produce and sell products at a large scale at a very minimum price. And the idea was that the consumer expects the products and services to be available anywhere and everywhere, depending upon his or her requirement. Then we moved on to the product concept, which focuses on only the best quality products. Then we moved on to the selling concept, wherein we thought that if we leave the consumer alone, then the consumer may not purchase as per our requirements in terms of the amount of products, the volume of products the consumer purchases may not be enough for us to have a good sales revenue. And for that is why we go for more of aggressive sales promotion, right? And then we moved on to the marketing concept, which is focusing on the needs, identification of needs and wants, and then tailoring the product or service based on the consumer needs and serving the consumer better than the competition, right? So these are some of the basics of marketing. I hope you understand that. Have a wonderful evening. Enjoy. Good night.